Okay, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ah, excited ako kasi for the first time I was able to attend ng isang napakagandang discussion on stress management, and I would like to extend my thanks to Sir Pat. It was really a very nice experience for me. That was my first time for 40 years that I've been in the office government as a government employee. Ngayon ko lang talaga nagkaroon ng panahon to attend such kind of workshop. Congratulations, napakaganda po ng mga topics at saka very engaging yung discussion. Namulat po yung aking mga mata, lalo na nung sinabi na dahil sa trabaho napapabayaan mo yung time mo para sa pamilya. So I realized na ganun talagang nangyari, and siguro ngayon parang bagong araw, bagong umaga para sa akin because of nabuksan yung isip ko. And once I go back to my office sa Region 8 sa Tacloban, siguro i-apply ko yung mga learnings na nakuha ko from Sir Pat. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed the experience. Thank you.